Presenting the 1985 front-wheel drive Cadillac DeVille and Fleetwood. A new generation Cadillac. Developed to provide the designs, features, and luxury car values that customers expect today and will expect tomorrow. The 1985 DeVille and Fleetwood combined some of the most significant Cadillac features from previous years. In 1967, for example, the first Cadillac front-wheel drive was introduced on Eldorado. In 1976, electronic fuel injection was introduced on Seville. In 1978, Seville became the first Cadillac to be equipped with electronic spark selection. In 1979, Eldorado featured fully independent rear suspension and two-plane dynamic wheel balancing. 1980 saw the introduction of an all-new front-wheel drive Seville and the first electronic climate control system on Seville and Eldorado, still a standard feature on those cars today. Also in 1980, Seville and Eldorado were equipped with digital fuel injection and onboard self-diagnostics. In 1981, the DeVille and the Fleetwood Brougham optional V6 engines were teamed with Cadillac's first four-speed automatic overdrive transmission. In 1982, the new HT4100 DFI power system received an enthusiastic reception. Also, the same year, a new breed of Cadillac arrived, the 1982 Cimarron. Designed and built to achieve new levels of quality, Cimarron featured single-piece door and body side panels for precise fits, and body frame integral construction for solid structural integrity. Now, the Cadillac heritage of luxury car leadership culminates in the 1985 DeVille and Fleetwood. By combining the best traditions of past Cadillacs with new, highly efficient, performance-oriented attributes, this new Cadillac sets a standard and a trend for both present-day and future luxury automobiles. To meet the demanding objectives established for this new car, Cadillac engineers and designers utilized the latest in technology. And to ensure its quality, the all-new GMAD Orion assembly plant was designed and built also utilizing some of the latest in technology and up-to-date equipment, such as automated RoboGate framing with computer-controlled robots that perform nearly 90% of all body welds for consistent close tolerance assembly, and automatic single-station side frame assembly for accurate body door openings. Single-piece outer and inner door panel stampings are used to further ensure the quality of door-to-body fits. Computerized processes help enhance quality in numerous areas, such as painting, where prime, color, and clear coat enamel top coats are robotically applied for high-gloss, deep luster paint finishes of consistently high quality. Computers also assist front and rear wheel alignment, match mounting of tires and wheels, and two-plane dynamic wheel balancing, which provides optimum rolling smoothness and reduces any tendency toward wobble. The improved and expanded assembly line diagnostic link provides in-process electrical testing of the ECM and the new Cadillac exclusive Body Computer Module, or BCM, to help assure system integrity, proper calibration, and proper component operation. Comparing key dimensions of the 1985 sedan DeVille versus its 1984 rear-wheel drive counterpart reveals the scope of the engineering and design breakthrough this new Cadillac represents. The wheelbase is more than 10 inches shorter. The length is reduced 26 inches, and the wall-to-wall turning diameter is reduced by 2.4 feet. As a result, maneuverability in parking and similar tight situations is noticeably improved. Curb weight is 587 pounds less, a major contribution to fuel economy improvements. Despite these significantly reduced exterior dimensions, passenger compartment volume is reduced only 1 cubic foot on sedans, but increases by 1 cubic foot on coupes. Passenger capacity is comfortably maintained at 6. Front shoulder room and hip room are reduced only slightly, and front head and leg room are actually increased. In addition to these impressive accomplishments, a whole series of quality enhancements are included to help make this car the best Cadillac yet. In the area of powertrains, for example, the standard engine is a redesigned and improved HT4100 DFI power system. This is the only front-wheel drive, transversely mounted V8 engine offered anywhere in the world, a Cadillac worldwide exclusive. The smooth, quiet operation inherent in this engine's V8 design is complemented by the addition of swirl port induction, which provides more uniform and more complete combustion and reduces combustion pressure variations from cycle to cycle, thus enhancing drivability and smoothness. Another benefit of this swirl port design is a higher compression ratio, which improves the engine's thermal efficiency. A simpler, more compact accessory mounting and drive system utilizes a single drive belt. An idler pulley maximizes belt drive and controls flutter for reduced belt noise. An automatic self-tensioner eliminates the need for service adjustment, extends belt life, and by reducing bearing loads also helps extend accessory life. The belt is easily removed or installed using a tool such as a 1/2-inch breaker bar. A new color-coded fluid identification scheme combined with translucent fluid reservoirs provides easier and more accurate fluid checks and replenishment. 2 computer-controlled electric cooling fans provide cooling efficiency and quieter operation. A new lighter-weight cross-flow aluminum radiator helps reduce vehicle weight while providing more efficient heat transfer. Specific arrangement and routing of wires and hoses provides an orderly and controlled appearance and helps reduce assembly variances. Spark plug wires, for example, are routed through high-temperature nylon conduit to assure proper placement, and to improve serviceability, a flange has been added to spark plug boots so they can be easily gripped and removed. A key feature of our new exhaust system is an engine crossover pipe with an integral heat stove that is not only easier to service, but also heats induction air more efficiently during engine warm-up. The standard DFI engine is teamed with a new, lighter-weight, 4-speed automatic overdrive transmission, the THM 440 T4. This new transmission, which has a higher first-gear ratio for better off-the-line performance, includes another Cadillac exclusive feature, the viscous converter clutch, or VCC. The VCC improves torque converter efficiency while enhancing operating smoothness by utilizing a silicone viscous fluid instead of the steel spring damper of the conventional TCC. The silicone fluid in the grooves of the VCC allows just enough slip to virtually eliminate chuggle. As a result, the clutch can be engaged at much lower speeds, which helps improve city fuel economy. A 4.3-liter V6 diesel engine is available, teamed with a new 4-speed automatic overdrive transmission that uses the conventional design torque converter clutch, or TCC. This engine provides such features as fast glow plugs that deliver a wait-to-start time of only 6 seconds at 0 degrees Fahrenheit and much shorter times in warmer weather, fuel line and engine block heaters, a water separation system to help prevent contamination, and a water-in-fuel telltale warning light. In the effort to provide the desired ride smoothness, interior quiet, and freedom from vibration, and to capitalize fully on the structural advantages of body frame integral construction, extensive sound and vibration isolating designs have been utilized. Cadillac engineered special frame insulators to cushion the body from the drivetrain and front suspension frame, providing isolation from road impacts for a soft yet controlled ride. Noise isolating designs include an underhood insulator and front fender insulators, numerous insulating barriers and absorbers, such as a front-of-dash sound barrier, and improved instrument panel closeouts, as well as auxiliary rubber door seals, a Cadillac exclusive design for reduced wind rush noise. This new Cadillac was engineered to provide a driving experience that combines traditional smoothness and quiet with such attributes as a flatter ride, more controlled handling, and improved steering response, while maximizing the traction and handling benefits inherent in front-wheel drive. The 1985 DeVille and Fleetwood feature fully independent front and rear suspension, electronic level control, power rack and pinion steering, and power front disc and rear drum brakes. The McPherson strut front suspension includes gas-filled pliocelles to help maintain strut dampening performance under all conditions, coil springs, and a large diameter stabilizer bar for cornering roll control. The rear suspension includes coil springs with Cadillac-specific spring rates, a stabilizer bar, super lift shock absorbers with Cadillac-specific valving and electronic level control, which combine to provide improved handling control and isolation, especially over rough roads. The standard steel-belted radial white wall tires are a new generation design with a mud and snow rating that provides improved wet braking performance and substantially improved snow traction. This design is equal to or better than many snow tread designs used today. A major factor in the fuel economy provided by this new Cadillac is its improved aerodynamic efficiency, with such designs as the low front end and high rear deck, flush bumpers, flush-mounted windshield, integral outside rear view mirrors, and clean underbody. One-piece gasketed window moldings, a Cadillac exclusive design, provide an improved, higher quality appearance by eliminating joints and seams. Another Cadillac exclusive feature is the formal look door-into-roof construction, which eases entry and exit and provides a hidden drip molding that directs water down and away from the door openings. Tail lights are vertically oriented, and new design backup lights, located on either side of the license plate, are brighter with a wider dispersion pattern. A pop-open fuel filler door, located on the left quarter panel, is easy to operate and provides a convenient fuel cap holder. A remote release fuel filler door is available as an option. 1985 DeVille and Fleetwood interiors maintain traditional roominess and comfort while enhancing convenience by introducing improved functional features. The window switches are shape identified for fingertip recognition. The raised portion indicates up and the depressed area indicates down. A 6-way power driver seat adjuster is standard. The available 2-position driver memory seat has a new exit function that moves the seat fully rearward and downward to ease entry and exit. Electric door lock switches are mounted just rearward of the door handle in a vertical orientation to ease identification of the lock position. All door trim pads are fastened with newly designed reusable plastic retainers for easier service and diagnostic access to such components as switches, lights, and lock activators inside the doors. The instrument panel is an all-new design, fully padded top to bottom with true leather look detailing, new side window defogger outlets, and a new low-profile glove box door lift handle that provides quiet, low-effort operation. Glove box capacity is increased 95 cubic inches over 1984, with a total capacity of 450 cubic inches, and includes such appearance enhancements as gray interior flocking and color-coordinated hardware. A cockpit arrangement of driver instruments and controls provides an attractive, functional appearance, with controls angled inward for ease of reach. The new instrumentation incorporates high-tech look graphics that are backlit at night to provide a high-contrast, glare-free appearance. Blue-green vacuum fluorescent displays with coordinated dimming control are used for the fuel or diesel data center, climate control panel, and radio. The fuel data center, standard with the DFI engine, includes a digital fuel gauge and the fuel data display, which features individual function display information. For added convenience, each fuel data function is controlled by its own push button. With the available 4.3-liter V6 diesel engine, a new diesel data center is standard, with a digital fuel gauge as well as a wait-to-start telltale and a water-in-fuel warning light. The speedometer features a quartz electrical swing needle movement that translates electrical signals from a transmission speed sensor, thereby eliminating the need for a speedometer cable. A new fuse block is mounted to the lower left side of the instrument panel for improved access. Its new design includes a removable snap-on door. 5 spare fuses are included for added convenience. Attached to the door is a fuse label for easy reference and identification, and there's also a fuse extractor tool. The standard electronic climate control features individual function display information and new separate high and low blower speed override buttons for use in Econ, Auto, and Defrost modes. The new 2000 series Delco radios include a standard electronically tuned AM/FM stereo with digital display and electronic seek and scan functions. The available Symphony sound system includes two new features: illuminated tape side indicators and a cassette search and replay function for automatically replaying the current selection or advancing to the beginning of the next selection. The 1985 DeVilles and Fleetwood offer the Delco GM Bose Symphony sound system as an available option, with the many benefits of its acoustically customized sound reproduction. For improved access, if standard speaker replacement should be required, all speakers are front or top loaded in 1985. The available Twilight Sentinel features a new thumb wheel control on the instrument panel for convenient operation. The available Dimming Sentinel, formerly called Guidematic, also features an easy-to-use thumb wheel control that includes a green light within the wheel to indicate both when the system is operating and its distance setting. This system features a new photo sensor mounted on the base of the inside rear view mirror within the white pattern of the windshield wipers, where it is protected from dirt buildup and in a position for optimum response to oncoming cars' headlights. The available electronic cruise control features an instrument panel on-off switch with an amber light that indicates when the system is on and a green light that indicates when it is engaged. Set coast and resume accelerate controls for the system are located on the turn signal lever, which also provides controls for the standard 3-speed windshield wipers and on-demand washer system. 1985 DeVille and Fleetwood electronic systems are designed to provide expanded capabilities, reduced complexity, improved reliability, and enhanced serviceability. The ECM, which is standard only with the DFI gasoline engine, provides new engine control functions and increased onboard diagnostics. Several ECM functions are transferred to an all-new feature, the Body Computer Module, or BCM. Like the ECM, this new Cadillac exclusive feature is a fully functional onboard control system, complete with diagnostics. Unlike the ECM, however, the BCM is standard on all 1985 DeVilles and Fleetwoods, with both the gasoline and diesel engines. Together, these two modules provide new and enhanced capabilities. For example, the ECM uses a new technique to determine barometric pressure, which reduces system complexity. A new electric early fuel evaporation control provides more precise heating of the air-fuel mixture. A new electrical system check, a Cadillac exclusive feature among domestic cars, monitors the charging system to determine if it is operating properly. Under certain high-load conditions, the ECM increases engine idle speed to increase generator output to prevent battery discharge, and if a weakness is detected, an instrument panel telltale alerts the driver, helping to prevent inconveniences caused by a weak or discharged battery. The ECM provides improved idle speed control with the addition of a new power steering load switch. This switch provides input that enables the ECM to make adjustments to maintain proper idle speed under high steering load conditions, such as during parking maneuvers. The BCM, which is located on top of the evaporator blower assembly behind the glove box, is derived from proven ECM technology and provides powerful centralized control capabilities. BCM functions include the climate control system, which features a new digital design programmer to help simplify the system and increase reliability, and a new power module that includes designs to provide protection against overload and to prevent battery drain. The BCM enables improved temperature control by providing greater flexibility in positioning the air mix door, and by its ability to anticipate the change in interior temperature before it is felt by passengers, favoring warmer or cooler air as appropriate to maintain passenger compartment comfort before it is lost. Two-way communication between the ECM and BCM enables continuous compressor operation at idle, which minimizes the annoyance of frequent compressor cycling, providing smooth operation, especially important in hot weather conditions. Additional engine operating smoothness is provided by load anticipation, where the BCM tells the ECM just before it engages the air conditioning compressor, enabling the ECM to make appropriate adjustments to the idle speed. Engine performance is enhanced during wide-open throttle acceleration, for example, because the BCM disengages the compressor at the ECM signal to maximize engine power, and at engine startup, because the BCM waits a few seconds for the engine to stabilize before engaging the compressor. The BCM also provides a new low refrigerant warning function, which, if a low refrigerant condition is detected, alerts the driver via a service air cond telltale light. If the condition threatens to damage the compressor, in addition to the telltale warning, the AC compressor protection system, a Cadillac exclusive feature, provides automatic compressor shutoff and prevents further operation until service is performed, thereby helping to prevent costly replacement of a damaged compressor. Other BCM functions include rear defogger operation, control of the outside temperature display, and control of the two continuously variable speed electric cooling fans used with both the DFI and diesel engines. If the BCM detects lost or inaccurate coolant and refrigerant temperature information, it turns the fans on fully to help protect the engine and AC system from possible heat damage. If the BCM detects stalled cooling fans, it stops fan operation to prevent control system failure and turns on the coolant temp fans warning telltale to indicate the need for service. The BCM controls the digital fuel gauge display and provides controls for coordinated dimming of the instrument panel vacuum fluorescent displays. Another function of our exclusive BCM is retained accessory power, which provides power for operating the windows and the remote trunk lid release, which is standard on Fleetwood and an option on DeVille, after the ignition is turned off. Both ECM and BCM diagnostics are fully operational onboard systems that continuously monitor control systems, their sensors and actuators for proper operation, memorize detected malfunctions and display malfunction codes during service procedures, provide sensor fail-soft value substitutions and backup operation, and provide actuator cycling to aid diagnosis during service. Both systems show that the problem is properly resolved after corrective action is performed. GM product service training courses offered on the 1985 DeVille and Fleetwood include the following: a one-day course on the HT 4100 DFI engine, a two-day course on the 4.3-liter V6 diesel engine, a three-day course on the THM 440 T4 transmission that covers the theory of operation, power flow, bench overhaul, and diagnosis of this all-new four-speed automatic transaxle with viscous converter clutch, a one-day 1985 DFI update class, a one-day course on the body computer module that will cover theory of operation with extensive on-car service procedures, and a one-day class that is a product overview summarizing the technical body features of the all-new front-wheel drive DeVille and Fleetwood. Preserving the best of traditional Cadillac values while providing the performance, the handling, the new designs, the enhanced features, and the high-level quality that meet the demands of a broad range of luxury car buyers, the 1985 front-wheel drive Cadillac DeVille and Fleetwood do indeed set a new standard for luxury automobiles, for today and for tomorrow.
If you're looking for the future,